Well, if that's the case, then stick around because we're going to be unraveling the paradoxes of personal growth as well as entrepreneurship. I want you to stick around as we're going to unravel how stepping off the beaten track can lead you to some pretty extraordinary destinations, both in life and in business. All right, so let's get started. First off, let's get real for just a moment. Can we do that? Going to be honest with you for a minute. You might be thinking, why should I lend my precious ear to you, Tracy? And that's a very good question. It is a valid question, giving all the pundits that are out there and all the choices that you have in podcasts, in videos, wherever you may be consuming this. And let me give you a few, let's call them cheeky reasons why you might want to hit pause or even stop or skip whatever options are available on your device. Number one, my friends, I am not your average guru. Hell, I am not even a guru. So here's the thing. I didn't fall in love with personal development right out of the crib. In fact, I was a pretty late bloomer in the self-improvement garden as well as the entrepreneurship garden. Well, I was a little earlier in the entrepreneurship garden, but we'll chat about that in a little bit. But here's the deal. I wasn't born with a self-help book in my hand. None of us were. Like I said, I'm going to be a little cheeky here. Far from it. My journey into the world of personal development really kicked off much later than most. And, well, certainly much later than many of the gurus that we all hear about. All the names, you know them. John and Zig and Anthony. You know the names. I don't need to tell them to you. And you know what? I think my late entry into the race might be my secret sauce. Imagine this, a world where every misstep, every late start becomes a foundation for your growth. That's where I come from. It wasn't until life threw me not just a curveball, but a fastball and a slider all at the same time. I'm talking about, 5-0 kicking open on my door.